my God, I am not willing to sacrifice any soldier or policeman to die na walang kalaban-laban. Pag under pala ng BARDs yung banda sa their missiles, yung nakatutok yan, they can reach Manila in 7 minutes. Ikaw magkainitan talaga. Kung gusto talaga na sundin, you enforce. Ikaw magkapikunan. Kung paputokin ka niya, magpaputok ka. Ang hawak nila, quitis. Pero ang warhead is atomic bomb. Ang ating hawak, quitis. Pero para pampista lang yan. Hindi yung pang-away. Alam mo naman ninyo, talo talaga tayo. By the sheer might. Una-una man, power, pera. At marunong talaga. All these years, they went into production, agriculture. Bilusog muna lang nila ang tiyan nila. Taimig sila. They never quarreled with anybody. Now that they are strong, they now have the goal to claim an entire ocean, which is, I don't know how to say it.